family of 15-year-old Price Johnson engulfed in grief after news sank in that the teenager succumbed to injuries she sustained in a violent attack. She was raped and assaulted by a man who persons say is of unsound mind.
Welcome back, people, to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. You know, Nando, a boss, night billing. And this is where we give you the latest and the trending topics that circulate in the social media aspect and the diaspora of Jamaica, yard and abroad. So, unfortunately, we see that Kiprich, dancehall artist Kiprich, has been called in for person of interest as it pertains to the ongoing gang violence that's been going on into the St. Catherine area. So, dancehall artist Kiprich has been named among several persons of interest as the St. Catherine North Police have imposed a curfew in the Top Banks March Pen community of Spanish Town. So, you know already the reputable gang leader, one other gang, one Daddy Badness in passed away. So, you know a lot of uproar going in Jamaica, in that part of Jamaica, Spanish Town. But here are some of the topics that I want to share with you guys and I want to speak on. One, we see that Kiprich calling for person of interest. And another topic where we see a 14-year-old girl goes by the name of Price Jackson. Right? She's been murdered. She's been killed in her home. And of some reasons, it seems as if that people are not coming out to speak on the situation, or they're keeping giving a silent treatment where they're not coming to tell the media or tell the police who really took out that little girl, that 14-year-old girl, Price Jackson. And honestly, it is crazy. And we see where the mother come out and share how she feel. You know, that's a mother's belly pain. So the mother come out and speak her mind, and I say, oh, you know, she always out there hunting together for the money. And you know, I understand. It's like we Jamaicans will feel this little girl. We feel this 14-year-old girl. We took away her life. They took away her life. She could have been so much more to her in life, and they just cut her life short. 14-year-old girl, Price Jackson. And we're going to share some clips, and we're going to speak on some of the topics them and with what are going on in the Jamaican culture. Because honestly, bro, it's crazy how them young ones are just lose them life. It's like the young ones them not live for see old age no more. The younger ones them, the younger folks them, like boys and girls, them not live for see old age. And I don't understand why the generation just are cut short and people now really speak justice about it and try to put a stop to some of these unnecessary killings that are taking place. I don't know why. And just let me know what you think in the comment section. Share on the thoughts on this whole thing. And you know, Vibes and Insight with Nando. Let's go right into it. Dancehall entertainer Kiprich, whose given name is Marlon Plunkett, is among several men named as person of interest by the St. Catherine North Police this evening. The police says the men are believed to be able to assist them in investigation into several incidents in the parish. Being sought from 2B Oxford Road, Top Banks and March Pen in Spanish Town are dancehall artist Marlon Plunkett, otherwise called Kiprich, Damian Johnson, otherwise called Violence, and third, Siobhan Hewlett, otherwise called Peter, Carlos Fairweather, otherwise called Finger, and Theodore Philos Campbell, otherwise called Dangarets. So those are a few of the names, and there are other more names there where them say are men of interest that the police seek to give them information as it pertains to incidents that are ongoing in the St. Catherine area. So that is the one for Kiprich, and to the little girl, the 14-year-old girl that has been murdered it says that cops named suspect of 14-year-old girl's brutal killing in St. Andrew. The St. Andrew South police have identified a suspect in relation to the brutal murder of 14-year-old Price Johnson and is seeking the public's assistance to locate him. Superintendent Damian Manderson, head of the police division, named Imani Lignot of 20 Crescent Road, St. Andrew, as the suspect. So Imani Lignot of 20 Crescent Road is the person of interest as it pertains to the murder of Price Johnson. Johnson was sexually assaulted and viciously attacked in her home in the Palm Grove apartment complex of Spanish Town Road on Thursday. She succumbed to her injuries in the hospital. Manderson also urged members of the public to stop circulating nude image of the deceased, calling it distasteful and unacceptable. What we appeal to the public to do, though, is to assist us in locating the suspect in this matter, he stated. So, the 14-year-old girl that Imani allegedly murdered hasn't been placed under arrest as yet, as though the police haven't found him. So the police is searching for Imani and they need the public's assistance. So the 14-year-old girl, bro, it's crazy. And we continuously feel the children of Jamaican society. It's unbelievable. It's unseen to know that these young children, they are never getting the chance to grow, to live to see old age, or live to past 30 or whichever. So it's like the society they're living in now, it's dangerous for them. And we have an interview with the mother of this 14-year-old child, and she's going to speak out. So let's hear what the mom have to say about this whole thing.
Family of 15-year-old Price Johnson engulfed in grief after news sank in that the teenager succumbed to injuries she sustained in a violent attack. She was raped and assaulted by a man who persons say is of unsound mind. TVJ News understands he was seen earlier Thursday milling around the Palm Grove Court apartment on Spanish Town Road where the incident happened. He reportedly pushed open the door to the apartment where the deceased was asleep and began his assault. Her mother, Eugene Wade, explained the teen was home alone at the time of the incident, which happened sometime after 2 p.m. A family member who attempted to rush to her rescue after hearing the screams was also attacked.
My big cousin.
What happened with him now? What they say?
He go up there, man, my wrestlers. Them then she don't dead on the bed.
So this man lick him also with the hammer?
Yeah, the man lick him.
So they know what? Do you know what? People say it's a hammer he used. Do you know if that's true that is a hammer he used to
well, like it's a hammer, well, the mirror flash up there. Up at the house now and I had mash up the skull crack. All I pull out.
Miss Wade sells goods not too far away from the apartment. At the time of the incident, she says she had left her business to run an errand. She expressed disappointment that persons in the area were slow to helping her distressed child.
And she did and she had ball. But much people live around here, so enough people live around here, so enough people around here, so. So I'm not here up there when me do so. I don't know nothing at all, I don't do around here, so nothing. Nothing at all. But the other say I pay 1, 2 o'clock, I left my stall. And when war I go on me there, I say, I no problem, I don't with nobody. And the most people, every time my cousin go up there, so nobody couldn't go up there to assist my little girl. There's nobody at all.
14-year-old Price Johnson would have turned 15 on February 21. Her mother says she was looking forward to celebrating her birthday. Instead, the family must now muster up the courage and prepare for her funeral instead. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.
Bro, this little girl is 14-year-old, right? Soon turn 15. There's something that is not adding up to me, bro, in this whole story. The little girl in the community and nobody shall get murdered and nobody not hear it. It's a community of apartments, a lot of apartments. It's not no zinc fence up or zinc up place, as we can see in the video. and nobody not hear nothing a go on. The apartment them mostly full up a whole heap of homes, right? A whole heap of places the apartment building, and nobody hear this little girl a ball out for help or a ball for whatever she is getting murdered for, bro. And nobody no help. This no sound right to me. There's something into something in this, and me can't understand it, bro. But people, make me know on the think about all of this we are going, because it no sound right and it sounds strange, like somebody knows something and not talk. And as we can see, the little boy where they must show up and scream as the killer, as the murderer, the person who take her life, him look like the same age group of hers, and they must say he's of unsound person, like him a madman. So me not understand, something not add up. And me can't get, they need to come down, they need to find him, and it need to go reach to the meat of the matter where the police need to get all of the information and find out him whereabouts and find out everything, because one, them are going to say he's of unsound person. So what? If he's of an unsound person, he's not going to get charged and all of them things. No, he must get charged. And me not understand, bro. As I say, an apartment with so much room, so much people live in an apartment, and then you know say, yo, nobody not hear nothing, bro. Nobody. So we'll go on another topic. We see where Vybz Kartel and DJ KHALED link up. So Vybz Kartel in Miami, and they link up with DJ KHALED, and we see like he might do some little recording. So I guess him and DJ KHALED have some music in the making coming out. So it's a good look for Vybz Kartel, you know, knowing that him getting visa and him fly out now and him can do what him have to do. And we see that him and DJ KHALED, you know, DJ KHALED is a big producer and him name big in the market. So if you have some music out there from him and Vybz Kartel, would that be a good look? It wouldn't be so bad. So that's a good look for Vybz Kartel. Let me know what you think in the comment section about all of this thing. And let me know what you think about the Kiprich thing, because I don't understand how these artists are mix up themselves in the music and badness. Remember what day I was this Skipper name get called up about the same thing with the same one other gang leader business, and them a big up the dance, them and all of them thing there. But let me know what you think about this Kiprich and the little girl, the 14-year-old. Come and understand how them a kill off little young ones them in Jamaica. It's like Jamaica is not Jamaica no more. It's not the same like one time. And I remember no one think, you know, a Vybz and Inside with Nando with another one. Mad, I'm out. Peace.